Jumper, man.
Jumper. A woolen one. Big as well, isn't it? Oh, professional as well.
Rabbit. The hat sound good now.
What?
The hat sound good now.
Doing a handstand now. Oh, nice hole. Oh, it's in the hole. Two coins already. Oh, I've got that. There we go. Oh. Nasty. Yeah. Still down there? Not this one, maybe. Oh. Try that the other way. Something like water. Yeah. Here's the culprit. Oh, what is it?
Bit of that.
Oh, nice bit of that. Found a bit of that, Marv. You reckon? I reckon on top. Oh, it's a battleship. Good job it's not raining. On top, I'm saying on top. Oh, you better hurry up.
Oh,
Should get us the clock.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Yeah. Nothing happening. What's this, Mark?
Jesus.
It's Jesus. Is he down there? I've got some questions I want to ask him. We dig him up. Of course, in the interests of, I don't know, being fair, there could have also been another Messiah down there. You have to be fair. What was it? Oh, look at that. A nut. Nice. Oh, no, it's got a bit of ding ding, surely. We have a bit of ding ding.
No one with ding ding. Bring the other one out.
Yeah, why not? Dip it in the bath before you come out. Oh. Oh, in a lake. Oh. False alarm.
Nothing over here.
Oh. Hold up. Oh, one way. I'll still can't film your feet. Okay. Well, slip away. Yeah. Oh, the nugget finder.
Going.
Oh, it's in the water.
Quite big, isn't it? Let's just scoop out that. Up and out.
Up and out.
That'd be big.
It's gotta be big. Hey, what was that? Nice. Well, I didn't record a ding ding because I didn't have the camera ready on time. But we did detect something. Nice. This weather's nice.
What's that big thing? Looks like something was there, isn't it?
Oh, look, round shape. Yeah, it was round, isn't it? Oh, ain't that a helicopter? I hope my camera stays dry. There you go. Yeah, I know, mate. Was it a good ding ding?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a coin. It's out. Oh, it's looking smaller and smaller. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a coin. Coin, sorry.
Yeah, another coin.
Oh, we've got a coin. What is it? Oh, green. Is it a disc?
It looks like it.
Give it a little wash round in a puddle.
Oh. Got a face on it, look.
Oh, quick, give it a little rinse down there. We'll do a rinse it with this.
I think this could be Georgian.
Oh, Georgians. Oh, water gathering on my phone. No, you didn't swap it then, did you?
Oh.
Oh, that looks old.
Roman.
A Roman.
Look at that, Roman.
Hold on, where is it? Oh, here. Hold on. I don't know if I can get focus. Hold on. Oh, don't look, it wasn't me. Hold on, you swapped it.
Roman.
I'll get a decent focus on it.
No, pretty won't, mate. All your lens, everything. But
Yeah,
yeah,
go on the
look
other
at
side.
that.
Well, there you go. So it was worth it today in the pouring rain. No, I'm not going to film his face. We don't know him. Look at that.
Roman.
Nice. Right.
Roman bronze.
Roman.
Nice.
Nice.
Let me tie that hole back up.